Checking for understanding is key to effective learning. Today, let's explore the benefits of checking for understanding and some easy-to-implement strategies. Why is checking for understanding so crucial? It ensures that students are grasping the material, identifies gaps in knowledge early, and allows for timely intervention. This practice not only improves student performance but also enhances overall teaching effectiveness. Regularly checking for understanding offers multiple benefits. It promotes active learning, fosters student engagement, and provides immediate feedback. It also helps in tailoring instruction to meet students' needs, thereby supporting diverse learning styles. Now, let's discuss some easy-to-implement strategies. First, use formative assessments like quick polls or quizzes to assess understanding in real time. Second, incorporate think-pair-share activities to encourage peer discussion and reflection. Third, apply the exit ticket method where students write down one thing they've learned and one question they still have before leaving class. These strategies are simple yet effective in creating a responsive learning environment. Incorporating these strategies into your teaching practice can significantly enhance student learning and engagement. Start small and gradually integrate these techniques into your lessons. Your proactive approach can make a big difference in your students' academic success.